Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Tarka. This is the Note 9 and today I will be doing the unboxing and the first impressions. So let's get started. In the box you will be getting a SIM injection tool, warranty card, few books, the main things, the fast charger, a USB type C, headphones supported by the headphone jack, S Pen tools for removing the tip and some extra tips as well, and an OTG connector and USB type C converter. Let's get these out of the way first and then we will start with the phone. Coming to the phone, this is a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED screen with a glass back. There was a casing in the box as well, so I've put it on. You will also need to put it on. It will protect the back. Coming to the front, the screen is one of the best screens you will be getting on a smartphone. The best LED, the best Super AMOLED LED right now in the market. The phone comes with a Android 8.1 out of the box. Samsung Experience 9.5. You'll be getting 128 gigs of memory, a 6 GB RAM, an S Pen. I got the ocean blue color, so I got this yellow stylus, which is really great. I will be covering that in a moment. Other than that, you will be getting a lot of features. The Note features 4000 mAh battery. Now coming to the back, you'll be getting two cameras, a fingerprint reader at the back which is nicely placed. The Note 8 had it over here, which was pathetic. Front facing camera, intelligent scan, which is a mix of facial unlock and iris scanner, which is great by the way. The basics are now gone. This phone is also tuned by AKG, as a dual speaker setup, which I will show you this right now, which is great in my opinion. Look at this. The phone is good. In my opinion, the phone is great. Every Samsung phone should have a 4000 mAh battery, but I don't know why Samsung opted not to give Note 8 the 4000 mAh battery. Other than that, there are a lot of features in this phone I will be covering in details later on. My first impression is that you need to buy this phone if you're coming from the S8, the Note 8. If you're a Galaxy S user, then wait for the S10. If you're a Note user, just jump on this phone. Do not delay. It's expensive, but it's worth buying. Other than that, the phone is really fast. I haven't used that much, but still I will be giving you impressions later on in a day or so, so stay tuned for those videos as well. That's about sums it up for now. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more videos.